Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you guys for watching. Today we got an ASUS laptop that we're going to go ahead and diagnose. Looks like it's not charging, so let's go ahead and check it out. Alright guys, today we're going to go ahead and figure out what's going on with my ASUS laptop. So what it's doing is not charging. I'm going to test the battery to see if we need to replace it. Alright guys, we're going to go ahead and flip the laptop over, and back of it we have 10 Phillips screws, and we're going to use this little screwdriver that came with the little laptop kit that I bought. So this comes in handy. The screws are very little, I already took them off, so they're about this size. Alright guys, so once you remove the screws from the bottom, you just put a plastic spatula in between the cracks right here, and everything else is a clip-on. And then under the keyboard we have access to everything. This is where you see the ports, the cables, and everything. We'll get a closer look right now. Alright guys, so these ribbon cables are attached to this port. There's a little flap that you just push up and it releases the ribbon cables. Just be very careful here. Try to use a plastic spatula so you won't hit the circuit board. So we have one, and then we have another one over here on the left hand side. I already went ahead and flapped everything up, so now I can just pull it out. Just be very gentle. See, this one's loose. Now we're gonna go ahead and pull this one out. Now you just make sure nothing else is attached around the circuit board, and this keyboard will go ahead and be released. So we can remove this keyboard and release it from the computer, and now we have access to the whole board, motherboard, and everything. Alright guys, so once we have this thing open, this is the battery right here. You do have some screws that are on the edges, so just go ahead and remove those screws, and this battery just flies out. Alright, so I removed all the screws from the battery. Now this just slides up, and see this part right there of the battery is connected there. So to find out if it's your battery, what you do, you connect your charger, and then you connect everything back on, and then you see if the light comes on, and that's how you know you have a bad battery. So right now that was my that's what happened here. I do have a bad battery, and I went ahead and bought another battery from eBay. It wasn't expensive, it was $28. So that's the new battery, so we're gonna go ahead and install that. Alright, so just installed the screws for the new battery. Now it's nice and snug. Let's go ahead and clip everything back on and see what happens. Alright guys, so we get our ribbon cables and put them back on the port. Just make sure you aim it right and you push it slightly in. Just be very careful. These are very sensitive, so we're gonna go ahead and push it in. There's a line that you will see that it goes in. So once you push them in and there's nice and snug, you're gonna flap down the port clip, and now we have the ribbon and cable put in. Alright, so we have another one here. It's going into the other port. We're gonna go ahead and snug that in, and once we feel that it's tight, we're gonna go ahead and flap the port down. Alright guys, so once you put the cables in there, remember these little flaps, they go down, locks the cables in. And you just pull on it a little bit gently just to make sure it's in there. So we got our battery, all of our wires put on, we're good to go. We're going to clip everything back on.